Hey guys, it's me making a video of some of my old collectibles, and I am starting off with something I got from my grandpa recently. It is a 1939 solid brass. Hold on. Just trying to focus. It says solid brass on it though. Yep, there we go. Solid brass. See right there. Is from 1939, 1940. My grandpa bought this from his neighbors who his great-grandfather or dad or whatever was a pilot, and he was a flyer in World War II. So, it's all there. I accidentally... this is a shout out to Penny F9, but I know that you guys have a few of them. Well, this isn't the original pin that held the lighter together, because if it was, this would be shut like that. It's popping up. Because this is a sewing pin, and because I dropped the pin that held the thing together, so I'm trying to... Leave me a comment, Penny F9, of what I should do if they still sell pins that you could put in zippos. Yeah. Okay, so sometimes at garage sales, well, I'll show you that later, but it's all there. See? It's all there. This is... When you shut this, the reason why Zippos designed their lighters like this is to prevent the flame from dying out in the wind. There's the wick. There's this thing that shuts when you shut the Zippo, prevents the flame to start. Plus this helps too, but anyways. Okay, the reason why, okay, so it's a Zippo, because that's what it says on the bottom. 1932 to 87. This one's from 1939. It actually, the flint is in here. Doesn't have lighter fluid though. I gotta get some. But here we go. See, there we go. And it smokes still. Okay, so now I'm gonna pull it out. Now this is what the Zippo looks like when it's pulled out. It still says some words and stuff on it. That's the cotton. That's the screw that holds the flint in. And sometimes at garage sales, people buy Zippos, but if sometimes at garage sales you see them like this, and this is missing, and they close this, and when you buy it and you open it, it's just the case, and you get screwed. So watch out for that at garage sales. But this is a cool piece. My grandpa bought it, and so that's the Zippo. And then what it was sitting on top of is something my grandpa bought from a store in the 60s or something. It is something made by Coca-Cola, with a company that worked with Coca-Cola. Well, I'm not sure. Leave me in the comments if you know if Coke worked with this company, but It is a Coca-Cola cooler. It is a cooler from the 60s. It's old, and I don't know really a lot about it. I don't really know a lot about it, but so this says that it was made by, it's a cola cooler. It says fiberglass elucidated 30 quart capacity, one polar I don't know, but I'm not sure if this company worked with Coke or not, because this is Coca-Cola red, or like, yeah, and white. So it's Polaron Products Incorporated, New Rochelle, New York. Okay, so it's old. It's like everything's there. I'll get to more of it. I'm making probably 2 parts to this video. So anyways, this is the outside. This is the front. This is the front. This is one of the sides. So you can tell it's old. It still has, because it has a bottle opener on the side screwed in. And it has that cork to drain out the water from the melted ice. I don't know why, but it has this weird pattern here. I don't know. It's maybe for show. It's scratched up a lot. And this is the other side, which is rusty, and looks like there's a hole right here, but it's rusty. And then this is a 360 view of it. Well, we'll go into the inside of it later. Actually, not later, in the next part, but that's basically it, and I'll see you in part 2. Okay.